Today I'll show you how to use YNAB on mobile. If you're trying to create a budget and manage your expenses, YNAB can be a great platform. To use it on your mobile phone, you will need to first of all download the YNAB app onto your phone, either from the App Store or the Play Store, depending upon your device. I'm just going to walk you through the few important things that you need to know while using YNAB on your phone. Now, first thing that you need to do while using YNAB is to set targets so that you can set your expenses accordingly. To do that, once you open up your YNAB, you can head over to the edit section on the top right, and through this section you can create categories and expenses. So for example, this is one of the main categories called bills, and these are all of the subcategories inside. To create a main category, you can tap on the three-dotted line, tap on new category. Now, in order to create a subcategory, you can tap on the plus icon and then create a subcategory for this main category. Now, to set up targets for any particular expense, just tap on add target, and here you can add in the total amount that you set as target for this particular expense. Now, second of all, after you set in targets, what you'll also need to do is add in bank accounts by tapping on the account section. Through this section, you can add in your real bank accounts and credit cards so that you can simulate a real situation. Now, to carry out transactions inside of YNAB, you can tap on the transactions tab, fill in this information such as you can choose the payee, the category of the expense, and the account that you're paying from. You can fill in all of this information so that it sets up as proper tracking for you to look at in the future. So this is the outflow tab where you pay your money, and this is the inflow tab if you receive any amount of payments on your budget. Now, once you completed these three on the bottom, the fourth one is going to be the reflect section where you're going to find the data of the expenses and the income that you've added in. If you head over to the spending breakdown, it's going to show you the exact spending that you made in all of the categories that you've added in particular budgets. Now, to add in the total amount of your income, you'll see the section called ready to assign on the top. To this section, you'll be able to assign your income and revenue to particular expenses. So that was the process of using YNAB on your mobile phone. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.